In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trade on Tradestation. By the end, you'll feel confident submitting an order from the trade bar and understanding what each choice means, so you can act quickly and clearly when the market is moving. First, open the platform and click the trade bar tab at the top. The trade bar is your streamlined command center for placing orders without diving into complex menus. It keeps all the essential fields in one place so you can work efficiently. Start by entering the symbol you want to trade. For stocks, type the ticker, like AAPL. For futures, use the proper contract code, such as ESU26 for the September E-mini S&P. Make sure the symbol matches the market you intend to trade, since similar codes can map to very different products. Next, set your quantity. For stocks, this is the number of shares. For futures, it's the number of contracts. Consider your risk and account size when choosing a quantity. Even a small change can significantly impact exposure, especially with leveraged instruments. Now choose your order type. Market orders aim to fill immediately at the best available price, prioritizing speed over price control. Limit orders let you set the exact price you're willing to pay or accept. They give you control, but they only fill if the market reaches your price. Stop orders are designed to trigger once the market hits a specified level, often used to enter on momentum or to protect against adverse moves. Depending on your strategy, pick the type that best aligns with how you want the order executed. If your order type requires a price, such as a limit or stop, enter it carefully. For a buy limit, you'll typically choose a price at or below the current market. For a sell limit, at or above. With stop orders, you'll enter the trigger price that, once reached, converts the order for execution. Some advanced types may prompt for more than one price. Simply fill in the fields as indicated. Choose the duration that fits your plan. Day orders are active only for the current trading session and expire if not filled. GTC, or good till canceled, keeps the order working beyond today until you cancel it or it fills, subject to broker policies. Before sending, double-check the symbol, side, quantity, order type, price, and duration. When everything looks correct, click Buy or Sell to send the order. You should see confirmation that the order was submitted, and from there you can watch for a fill or manage it as needed.